Hello, everybody. Today we are going to be learning about the farm animals. So let's begin. First of all, we have a cow. It gives you milk and lots of other dairy products. Then we have a sheep. Sheep gives you clothes to wear. Then we have a goose. Goose gives you eggs and meat. A horse. Horse is great for carrying stuff and carrying you. A chicken. A chicken gives us eggs for breakfast and also tiny little chicks. A goat. Great for milk and meat. A donkey. Very hardworking, can lift a lot of weight. A duck. Quack quack. It gives us beautiful feathers and egg and meat. My favorite, a rabbit. It has protein-rich meat, but also gives us cute little rabbit babies. Happy learning, everybody! Thanks for watching! All the animals at the farm are saying to like, share, and subscribe.